In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Google Vids. Hello folks. So you've already started your journey with Google Vids, but you're hitting a bit of a bump. You need to redo something. Maybe you undid an action and now want it back. Or perhaps you're just exploring the features available. Either way, you're in the right place. Today, we're going deep into how to use the redo function in Google Vids effectively. First off, navigating to Google Vids is your starting point. If you're not there yet, just head over to the Google Vids webpage. It's part of the larger suite of tools offered by Google Workspace, designed to make video editing straightforward and accessible. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is hard to miss. Clicking it is your gateway to accessing all the personalized features of Google Vids. It ensures that all your work is saved and can be accessed from any device anytime. Isn't that neat? After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to pick the one associated with your work on Google Vids. This step is crucial for keeping your projects aligned under the correct account, making them easier to manage down the line. Now you're in and ready to tackle that redo function. If you're working on a project, and let's say you've recently undone an action but realize you actually needed it, look no further than the redo button. This handy little icon can be found on the toolbar ribbon at the top of your workspace. It's typically represented by a curved arrow pointing to the right, symbolizing the action of moving forward or redoing. But hold on, here's a quick tip. If you're all about efficiency and love keyboard shortcuts, you can instantly redo an action by pressing Ctrl+Y. This shortcut is a real time saver, especially when you're in the flow and don't want to interrupt your creative process by reaching for the mouse. Moving on, let's put this into practice. Imagine you're editing a video titled The Art of Ink, a journey into tattoo shop name. This is where your creativity shines. Whether you're cutting clips, adjusting sequences, or adding special effects, Google Vids provides you with the tools to bring your vision to life. Let's say you've just cut a clip, but then you realize that trim was a mistake. No worries, remember our handy redo button or the Ctrl+Y shortcut. With either of those, you can swiftly revert the cut, essentially redoing your last action, and your clip will be back as it was before the cut. This feature ensures that experimenting and making adjustments as you edit is a breeze, leaving plenty of room for creativity without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. In closing, mastering the redo function in Google Vids opens up a world of possibilities, letting you edit and refine your videos with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore this and other features as you work on your projects. Whether you're making a documentary, a tutorial, or a creative piece, knowing how to quickly redo actions keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's all for now. I hope this tutorial has shed light on how to effectively use the redo function in Google Vids. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the process of bringing your video projects to life. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google Vids and other tools in the Google Workspace suite. Happy editing!